Hey guys, Merry Christmas. Oh my gosh, this vlogging thing is so hard. Not that it's difficult, but it's just I have to keep reminding myself to pull out my camera and talk to the camera, and that part is not normal for me. So sorry if there's gaps, but yeah, basically I went out to Pine and Ginger. It's like the Jamaican slash Ghanaian party that was last night. In East Ligum. If you don't know, there is a huge Jamaican community here in Ghana. I think about half of the newly sworn in citizens of Ghana were like Jamaican descent. So Bob Marley's daughter, her house here, a huge foundation. So there's just a lot of Pan-Africanist connections between Ghana and Jamaica. So I went to that party yesterday. It was lit, super lit. I met up with a friend, another Peace Corps volunteer that's serving in Ghana. And yeah, we went and we dirty wine and did all that good stuff. Your girl is tired. I got home at like 5 a.m. and because the party ended at 4:30. And I was still like, oh, I'm ready. Let me go somewhere else. But we all just decided to go home and get some rest. So yeah, I got home at 5, slept in. It's about 3:20 in the afternoon. So I cleaned my room. You know, Peace Corps life, you just are used to like sweeping and wiping down every single day. So I did that, had some breakfast, called my family, FaceTime Bay. So I'm feeling pretty accomplished for today. So I'm gonna get up, get ready, and see what today has for me. Before I do that, I just wanted to show you what I picked up yesterday. Yesterday I went to shop Accra, which is like this artisanal gift shop in Osu, and I was just able to get a couple of things that I wanted to show you guys. I got black soap. This is from Kame. Yeah, it's just a black soap. I think this is travel size. Really tiny. These were 30 CDs each. Then I picked up this aloe vera hair mist. It has distilled water, aloe vera juice, aloe vera gel, glycerin, B5 vitamin, and citric acid. I know you could use this on your hair, but I got this for my scalp. Girl has pretty dry scalp. It is Harmattan season, so it's like the dry season where it's just dustiness everywhere and the air is dry and there's no humidity. I bought this just to spray on my scalp. I'm gonna add some of my essential oils to it when I get back to Senegal, but I bought this just to spray on my scalp as like a little braid spray. Hopefully it will keep my scalp nice and lubricated. I don't know if I'm gonna party tonight because girl's tired. And my friends are coming on Friday, so I feel like I should just rest before that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get ready for the day, and I'll check in with you guys a little later. Bye. Hey guys, just checked in from this little hostel that I'm at. It's called Somewhere Nice, and yeah, I'm just chilling here, waiting for some of the other black PCBs to come down. But yeah, I ordered myself a shanty, and I'm about to start reading one of my favorite books by Chimamanda, Purple Hibiscus. So yeah, I just wanted to check in for a quick second. There's a small chops stand across the road, so I ordered some indomie and just gonna sit here and chop because we're pretty hungry. Alright guys. Hey guys, from the streets of Accra, just out here trying to take an Uber. I think it's coming. On to the next spot. Good morning from hot Accra. It is the day after Christmas, Boxing Day, and I am getting ready to go to the markets. So I love markets. Markets are like my favorite place to be because you just get the action and stuff. So I'm ready to see what the Makola market in Accra has to offer. Pick up some things for my family. Like my sister was like, yeah, can you buy me crayfish and red pepper? And I was like, okay. So I'm just gonna go buy some like local things that my family needs, and inshallah one of my friends will take it back to America for them. So yeah, it is hot, really hot, but I'm loving the sun. I am lathered up in shea butter, so it is just a perfect mix. Yeah, so I'll just take you guys with me, and let me get out of the road actually. I will take you guys with me and we will see what we can pick up. Hey guys, here at the market. Still shopping, but I was able to get my sister some spices. So I got her a crayfish and a thing of pepper. So I'm still gonna keep looking for the other stuff, but yeah, I love the market. Favorite place ever. Left the club and we're at this chicken spot. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah, just trying to get some dinner. I ended up getting, because they don't sell this in Senegal, I'm with a friend who got a driver for the weekend, so he's gonna take me home, alhamdulillah. And then I'm gonna sleep and then do it all over again tomorrow. So okay, still looking pretty good. yesterday I realized we didn't have any water. The shower is like drip, 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 and I don't shower like that. So I talked to the Airbnb host. She was really nice. I'm like, I'm so sorry. I hate when that happens when guests come. And I was like, girl, I'm in the Peace Corps, bucket baths all day, every day. So it doesn't faze me. So I just went to the robinet. I don't know what it is in English. Tap. You scoop water, shower, rinse off. Yeah. I'm gonna take my shower and hopefully I can check in to the new spa around 12:30. Let me stop rambling because I have to check out in like 30 minutes. So, okay. Alright guys, I'm all showered. I was crusty, so I washed my face. I'm all packed up, ready to go. I'm pretty low on data, so one of the guys here went to go buy me some airtime. And then I'll be ready to call my Uber and dip. So it was great staying here, but I'm ready for a little bit more. Some AC, a living room, all that good stuff. So I'll check in with you guys once I get to our apartment in Osu. These are some eggs that I just did with some onions. That's red that I got from, I think, ShopRite. And that's just a piece of bread that I put to toast up. This is cooking Peace Corps style. You only got one burner, one pot, not doing a whole bunch of dishes. And this is the stove that I used. So it's like this gas top. Yeah, it's a gas top. The way these things work is that this gas thing is on all the time. There's a pipe that leads to this, and right now it's off, but you turn the lever and that's what releases the gas through the pipe to here, and once it's on you just light a match, put it there, and it comes on. Let's see if I can do this. So turn it on, light a match, and there it is. So it's super easy. A lot of times when you're doing this, your hair should be all the way back. You shouldn't be in any loose clothing. But I think what happened, this is just because I've had conversations with other Peace Corps volunteers in Ghana, is that her pipe thing had a leak. So when she went to turn it on, it literally exploded in her face. And yeah, they rushed her to the hospital. And it's like the saddest thing, because it is the year of 2019. What Peace Corps volunteer dies in service? Like, this is not something that should be happening. So rest in peace to my fellow Peace Corps volunteer sister, my Igbo sister, Nigerian sister, Chichi. Sending her family lots of love. Yeah, I can't imagine. I can't imagine. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat because I'm hungry.